Hi guys, welcome back to Gypsy. Today we've got our wonderful Trangia to unbox, a new one to replace our melted one that should not have melted. So we're going to do an unboxing today to show you one of our favourite products. Okay, so it's one of our favourite products because it's super light, and so you could take it anywhere to cook, and we do. We take it every day, somewhere new, one of the day points, to cook our dinner meal and have lovely views like kangaroos in the background to keep us company. It's a spirit burner, so it works on metho. It's a spirit burner, so it's super easy to run. It's super cheap. Like we ran it for a fortnight on $3. Bottle from Bunnings. It's a little bit messy. We're working on that. We've been told if you add a bit of water to the metho, reduces the soot that builds up on the bottom of the pans. This one is the 2.5 UL, and so it comes with 2 bowls, frying pan and a kettle that holds a litre, so it's perfect for 2 people, made in Sweden, so you know it's quality. And so let's begin the unboxing. Don't you love getting new things? Oh, and it packs away so small. This is only just over a kilo at 1,025 grams. Now look at that. So easy to fit into a backpack and take for a picnic. And that's your frying pan, which I regularly make a full meal of 500 grams of bacon and 4 eggs for 2 people in there. You can see how it packs away. There's your cute little kettle that actually holds a litre. I know it doesn't look like it, but it does. I've measured it. Your 2 bowls tucked away nicely in there. Put the rubbish away so it doesn't blow away. And they hold whatever you want. You couldn't need any more. And these are your windshields. Now the problem with my last one is a very large wind whipped up, and we didn't have the simmering on, and I don't know how it melted, but it did. Okay, so in the pot we've got our spirit burner. See, isn't this cute? That's about 2 shots at the most worth of metho. Sucks it up into these burners here, and this is your simmering for if it's extremely windy, which when you first get it is sort of stuck to the lid. So it covers the burners, so you only get a smaller flame and the wind can't whip it up into a huge flame. And place this on like this, and then your frying pan, and here is your handle, and you are ready to cook. How cool is that? What more could you want out of a hiking cooker? I love it. So get out there into the green. This is Elli from Gypsy signing off. washing in that pan.
Yeah, what? Your bra. It's best. Stop it. Just say bye.
Bye.